大家好，我是 Oliver Branch Allen. With the recent COVID infections, long COVID symptoms, and just overall the new wave of flu coming in, our bodies have taken a big toll. The economy is also picking up, and along with it is stress. Meetings after meetings, the horrendous traffic and deadlines are all on the rise. Or maybe you're just feeling a little low at this point in your life. Stress can take its toll on the body. Having a strong immune system is critical. Luckily, there's an ally on your side, and that's adaptogens. When you get stressed, your body activates the sympathetic nervous system, or the fight or flight response. Essentially, what that means is that your body is preparing itself to fight or to run away if the threat is too great. Cortisol and adrenaline gets pumped into your bloodstream. The prior, cortisol, prepares the heart rate to go up, the blood pressure to go up, and then the latter, which is your adrenaline, gives you a boost of energy. However, both hormones will bind to white blood cell receptors, altering their behavior and changing their ability to react. Gluconeogenesis occurs in the liver, producing glucose into the bloodstream. This in tow allows your pancreas to create more insulin also as well, and this eventually leads to insulin resistance. Chronic stress is stress that may not be as intense as a bear attack. However, chronic stress is kind of like a low hum that sits in the background, with all those negative effects mentioned above with no relief. Even a bout of exercise induces stress to the body that forces it to adapt and get stronger. However, if the recovery is insufficient, whether it's not enough sleep or poor nutrition, then that actually will raise the risk of injury. This all takes a toll on the body, and the constant elevation of cortisol causes widespread inflammation and eventually will result in a lower defense mechanism. You might have heard of adaptogens before, but you're not quite sure what they are. Essentially, they're just plant compounds, usually root or herb, that provides balance back to the system. Known to build resilience against stress, physical, biological, or chemical, they're known to actually interact with adrenal glands to help regulate hormones. Adaptogens are actually not new to China. Some examples are eleuthero or 刺五加, astragalus is 黄芪, and then there's ginseng, 人参, and these are all widely used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. Eleuthero, or otherwise known as Siberian ginseng, has been shown in these two studies to help boost the effects of T cells and natural killer cells, both of which are innate and adaptive immune system. Another adaptogen, astragalus, has been shown in this study to improve the performance of T cells even when compared to the popular echinacea. And the popular ashwagandha, which is an Ayurvedic ingredient, has been also shown to boost natural killer cells and T cells as well as stress-relieving properties. Another study shows that a group of participants who took a multi-adaptogen supplement actually had increased performance in their resistance training and their aerobic exercise. More and more studies are being done on these adaptogens, so we'll have a better understanding of what these plant compounds can do for us. That's it for today, guys. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you next time.